The morning air feels fresh and new. A gentle wind comes passing through. The forest sways, the fields awake, and all the roads begin to breathe. Most of the town is still asleep, dreaming softly, buried deep. But somewhere lights are turning on, and I am already moving on. No heavy plans, no race to run, just early footsteps in the sun. If you ask me why I walk this road, I don't really know. Maybe someday I'll find an answer. Maybe I won't. I'm not walking. The morning air feels fresh and new. A gentle wind comes passing through. The forest sways, the fields awake, and all the roads begin to breathe. Most of the town is still asleep, dreaming softly, buried deep. But somewhere lights are turning on, and I am already moving on. No heavy plans, no race to run, just early footsteps in the sun. If you ask me why I walk this road, I don't really know. Maybe someday I'll find an answer. Maybe I won't. I'm not walking just to understand, or searching for a grander plan. If the answer comes, that's fine with me. If it doesn't, that's alright. I simply love to walk. destination in my mind, just open skies and passing time. No need to hurry, no need to know. There's beauty in the roads we roam. If you ask me why I walk this road, I still don't know. Maybe someday I'll find an answer. Maybe I won't, but every step feels right somehow. And this